Hello everyone! Today's video is on the best hand vacuum in the market for this year. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. Black & Decker Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. To remove hair, debris, and dirt from your carpet, furniture, car interior, and high traffic areas, it is an excellent handheld vacuum cleaner. Black & Decker brings it. Price of the cleaner is rational. This battery-powered cleaner is easy to use on almost all kinds of surfaces. Even if your space is tight, it is not difficult to maneuver the device. It is also very easy to carry. This ultra-durable device ensures easy cleaning. Its suction power is outstanding. It is a cordless vacuum cleaner. It is about 2 pounds only. VacLife Handheld Vacuum Car Vacuum Cleaner. VacLife manufactures it. This battery-powered handheld vacuum cleaner is silver and beautiful to look at. Its cordless design ensures efficient cleaning. Its effective motor helps to run the motor for a long time to ensure deep cleaning from stairs, cars, kitchen, and offices. You can make it available almost anywhere because of its small, convenient size. It includes double filtration technology. To clean difficult-to-reach areas, it holds a crevice nozzle. It is easy to handle food scraps, pet hair, or any common dust. It also possesses bright and lucrative LED lights.
Halfway of our list, we bring you more products whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option. We'll relay all these items for you. Stay tuned.